Hi, I am Michelle Estrada, Extension Agent with Wayne County Cooperative Extension, and this is Homegrown in the Kitchen. And today, we're making whole wheat pasta with pesto and vegetables. This is a great dinner that you can do at home in no time, especially if you cut your vegetables in advance. And our ingredients are broccoli, yellow squash, carrots, zucchini, red bell pepper, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, salt, minced garlic, crushed red pepper, pesto, black pepper, and whole wheat pasta. Let's start by heating our olive oil. While you're doing this, you can start cooking your pasta. It's going to take you around 10 minutes, but follow the directions on the package. Our oil is ready. We have it in medium heat, and now we're going to add the garlic. So now it's going to start cooking and smelling really good. At this point, we're going to start adding our harder vegetables. And we need to start with the carrots because they will take longer. Be sure that when you cut your vegetables, they're cut in the same size so they cook uniform. Let's continue with our broccoli. You really need a big skillet when you're cooking this kind of food. At this point, we're going to add the yellow squash. And always remember, you can add any vegetables that you like. This is a very inexpensive recipe. Have you ever heard that eating healthy is expensive? This is not expensive. And the most important, that you're having a variety of colors. Now we're going to add the zucchini, another great vegetable. You can even grow it yourself or just go to the farmer's market and get all those vegetables that are in season. And last, we're adding the red bell pepper. What a great combination. This looks delicious. And to give a really good flavor, let's add some pesto. This is going to give a lot of flavor to your vegetables. And remember, you can always make your own pesto. Let's combine this pesto really good with our vegetables. Ready for our next ingredient? We're going to add black pepper, a little bit of salt, and crushed red pepper. It's really smelling good. Let's turn the heat off, and we're using whole wheat pasta that is really good for you. Remember, half of your grains should be whole, and this is a great way to add more whole grains to your life. What a good recipe for the whole family. Kids can help you to chop the vegetables. This is a complete dinner, right? But we need to add some cheese. So we have a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I can't wait to try. This is delicious. I'm Michelle Estrada with Homegrown in the Kitchen.